Look at where we are. We're like in the jungle. Like, this is awesome. Oh. The mountains.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, David's Nosh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
We're going in a tunnel.
Oh my gosh.
I don't think I've ever driven in a tunnel this big. It's not really that big, but still. Look at tunnel.
Going through a mountain.
I'm going through a mountain right now, and you're witnessing it. Sweet.
Singing, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
The radio just sort of faded out, and the light at the end of the tunnel as we emerged. There comes the radio.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I missed it. There was a nice view of the sea. Look at that.
They can't tell me.
I know, it's just brightness, but when we come out, all of a sudden they'll be like, oh, there's the ocean. Beautiful. Beautiful. I wasn't recording at all.
Not really? Yes, you are. You're recording right now.
I switched the camera.